All right, so today we're going to start our next type of writing. It is persuasive writing. For our work today on Monday, we are going to be picking a topic and possibly starting some research. That's all that we're going to do today, so that's all that I'm going to talk about. I don't want us to do anything more than that. Just like in class, where I would say, today's a research day and I don't want anyone writing. I shouldn't have anyone sharing me Google Docs yet about this. The only thing I should be receiving from you guys is emails about which topic you would like. So let's dive right in. So persuasive writing is the next step after opinion writing, like Would You Rather Wednesdays, and informational writing, like research projects. There are similarities between them. Persuasive writing uses the opinion of a writer on a topic, like opinion writing, and it uses research facts to support the claim that they're making, which is similar to the research done with informational writing. The difference with persuasive writing is that the writer addresses a specific audience and tries to persuade them to have the same opinion on the topic. Okay, so the first thing we have to do, and this is what we're going to start out with today, is we have to pick a topic that you have a strong opinion on and that you can also find research on to support your opinion. Okay, so here are some examples of topics that have that would be good for us to look up. North Dakota winters are too long. I think we can all agree, especially with that recent storm that we just had here in April, that North Dakota winters are way too long. The next would be Minnesota Wild is the best hockey team in the NHL. Now, obviously, some people might disagree with me, and that is why we have persuasive writing. Another could be that recess is too short. Also, playing video games for more than an hour at a time is too much for children. Okay, all of these are things that you could research online and find data to back it up. Okay. Next, we have an example of a topic that would be hard to research. Okay, and that is my favorite color is blue. That's a very strong opinion of mine. I really think that blue is a great color. However, it would be pretty difficult for me to do a lot of research online to find quality research to support that claim. Okay. So that's where I go on and say, although it may be a strong opinion, it would be difficult to find research to support that claim. Exactly. Once you've figured out your topic that you want to do, these will be sent to me via email. Okay, and I'll approve them as they come in. Once you get approval, you can start your research. So don't just start researching something without having my approval. You have to send it to me first at my email, and I'll be sitting on there so I can let you know if it's good or not. Okay. So those are the two things that we're going to focus on doing today with this persuasive writing. Is the first, you need to think of a topic that you have a strong opinion on and that you would want to address an audience. Thinking of an audience that you'd want to talk to. And an example of an audience would be, so North Dakota winters are too long. My audience wouldn't be someone who lives in California, because they wouldn't understand that North Dakota winters are too long. My audience for that would be people from North Dakota. Okay, recess is too short. That's probably not, I wouldn't be talking to that, to, let's say, someone who is in their mid-20s and doesn't have any kids who are in school. Okay, recess is too short. My audience would probably be students from kindergarten to 5th grade. Okay, so you need to be thinking about your audience as well. So I'll start that again. Your topic is the first thing that you do. You need to think about a topic that you have a strong opinion on and the audience that you want to address for it. Okay, once you've decided that, you will email me what you want your topic to be, and I will approve it. Once you've gotten my approval, the second thing you will do is you will research the topic. Okay, you can start jotting down your own ideas as well as why you think whatever your opinion is, but then you need to go online and you need to be able to find some research to support it. Okay, when we go down and we look at our persuasive writing research criteria, it's a little easier than our informational writing. All that we need is to have 2 quality sources, and they just have to have 1 to 3 pieces of info in our notes for each source. We need to be taking research notes. just like in our informational writing, you need to be writing those down in your literacy notebooks, because I will be asking for that when it comes time to turn in this writing piece. Okay. As you can see there, the next it says notes and literacy notebook. We all know how to do that. And then it says research has to be done thoroughly. And when you're ready to begin creating, your persuasive writing piece. Today, we will only be focusing on doing our research and picking a topic. Okay. So I don't need anybody sharing me Google Docs yet. We'll maybe start writing on Thursday. Please just use this half-hour block, because I'm trying to keep everyone going at about the same pace. So don't think that, oh, I have an hour this afternoon that I want to work on this. Why don't I start, going on it? Find something else to do with that hour. It'd be awesome if it's something that's academic. However, I want to keep us all on the same pace on this, so that the instruction I'm giving out makes sense to everyone. Okay? On Google Classroom, this doc will be shared along with this video. It does have all of the information for when we actually get into the writing. Please don't go down there yet. Just focus on the persuasive writing research criteria. And before that, obviously, you need to be thinking about what topic you're going to do and getting approval to me. All right, so that is it for our first step in our persuasive writing. Let me know if you have any questions. I hope this goes well for everyone. Bye.